Alright, so once you've built some courses, have some departments, and some users or learners in the system, you are going to want to make sure that you know how to report and build reports accordingly. So in the administration panel, as soon as you open that, you'll see the overview of the reports in the reporting. You can see that on the left here as well. You can also look at reports broken down by certain topics. So learners, departments, courses, learning tracks, assessments, communication, and surveys are all over here to break down further different reports that you might want to look at. So definitely explore the reporting features. Additionally, if there's particular fields that you want to report on that might not be automatically built into the platform, you can actually create custom attributes. So at the bottom in settings, once you open that up, you see custom attributes, and you can actually come in here and create up to 32 new attributes for your company. So as you can see, there's some examples in here. Who might be a future leader, start date, leave date, reason for leaving, all different topics that you can then report on in the reporting feature that might just be custom to what you want to do on within your company and what you want to track depending on the metrics that you're trying to push. So custom attributes are definitely helpful with the reporting feature. Simply come in here, add those, and then you'll be able to see those on the reports in the reporting feature. So don't forget that that's a possibility. We have the basic reports built out for you, but custom attributes can definitely be helpful as well.